Right here at the Haas factory doing another tour. We're here on the VF3 and 4 line. Factory is super busy. Everybody is doing what they can to get customers their machines. We've got really low lead time right now, so anywhere I believe under 3, 4, 5 weeks or so for a VF2 or VF3. It's probably dangerous walking backwards, so I'm gonna stop doing this right now. Finished machine, right?
Yeah, that's a finished machine. Now it's going to the customer already.
It's gonna go get wrapped up and shipped to a customer. So that's what a machine looks like before it goes to shipping. That's cool. Here's the 30 on the VF2, but you also can get the VF, or you can get the 50 tool changer, which is right behind me right here, going through some testing. And this is what it looks like once the machine is wrapped up and ready to ship. It's right there. That machine we saw earlier is going to get that treatment in a couple minutes.